Betway Premiership, Epitori Mahlanyeng. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Kaizer Chiefs 1, GNU 1. Kaizer, ubone kanjani umdlalo mntakababa?
To be honest, I'm a Sundown fan.
Yes.
What I saw today is so disgusting.
Disgusting?
Yeah.
What a big word. What angered you so much?
Chiefs playing this game.
Yes.
You see, they knew how they're gonna frustrate Sundown psychologically.
Yeah.
Once you play against Sundown, you know you play against a dominating
A
team
machine.
whereby they dominate all the channels.
Yes.
So Chiefs has a great plan in order to frustrate them through central Kodio.
Yes.
The new Sundowns has all quality in central.
Yes.
So they press them.
They put more bodies.
They put more bodies. That's why Sundowns substitute Allende.
Yes.
Allende wasn't too instrumental today.
He was close.
He was close. So Indlovu. Ingwe.
Yeah.
Iskatulu.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Aye. Ngivumelana now. Yeah. So what did Sundowns do wrong?
I think what Sundown do wrong, lack of tactical flexibility.
Yes.
Is what Sundown.
But they
do.
came with one strategy.
One strategy.
Once the strategy doesn't work, yeah.
It doesn't.
Yes.
They didn't have a plan B.
Yeah. So who is your man of the match?
My man of the match, I'm a Sundown fan. But
Yes.
I'll give it to Peterson.
Yes.
Yeah.
No, Unchabe played.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He deserve a national call-up.
He made you lose the game. Because I think today, I don't know how you see it, but I think today Kaizer Chiefs won 1 point and Sundowns lost 2 points.
Yeah.
Yes.
If Kaizer Chiefs could have started with Villagas, we could have lost, I don't know how many
Yeah.
score. Yeah.
Yes. No. Thank you, my brother.
Thanks a lot.
Your analysis is top notch.